Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up our beautiful and adorable crochet baby skirts designs ideas, mini skirts designs ideas. Hope so you like this video in different collection. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. Get ready to create a stylish and comfortable garments for your little ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish and gorgeous look crochet skirts designs ideas. These are perfect for any occasion. These skirts is sure to impress. So let's get started. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner and an expert crocheter, these frocks, baby skirts designs ideas are perfect for baby shower, gifts, or just because. Hope so you like this all the pattern in different collection. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about recommend full detailed videos for you. We will show you how to create a beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color, and embellishment to fit your little one's style. You can add some embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers, laces, patches, different pom-pom, tassels, and many more ideas if you want to see. So please visit my channel and like my videos. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create a beautiful crochet baby skirts designs ideas, lady skirts designs ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, colors, and textures and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add a personal touch with a special embellishment, special embroidery, and many different accessories. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorials, full detailed videos. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorials, and full detailed videos. We will see you in the next video. Happy crocheting and take care.